July sales report and best-selling items. For the month of July, I had 130 sales across all stores. This is a 54% decrease from the 285 sales I had last month. I believe that the sales decrease was the result of the 4th of July not being a gift-giving holiday like Mother's and Father's Day. So I would naturally experience a decrease in sales if I'm only depending on gift giving alone. Sales broken down by store: Miss Rhoadie 88, Weddings by Rhoadie 19, Homeschool Me 6, Rhoadie's Kitchen 6, Armor Africa 3, Bible Verses and Gifts 6, Earrings by Rhoadie 2. Best-selling items. My Best Grandpa Ever family photo t-shirt was my best-selling item for the month of July. In second place was my Best Dad Ever photo t-shirt. In third place was my Happy Birthday Dad rustic gray wood photo greeting card. The rest of my sales were other greeting cards, t-shirts, and home decor items. Honorable mentions. I have had this product in the marketplace for 4 years, and it has just sold this month. Birthday cards for men are one of my most popular items to sell. Referrals. Using Pinterest, I had 6 referrals. Most of them were wedding-related stationery. Takeaways. For July, I would have to promote my 4th of July designs more, even starting in June, in order to not experience such a great decrease in sales. I am great at designing, but I would have to put more effort into promoting. Thank you for watching.